Another thing that cripples you from satisfying relationship is the belief that satisfying relationship is not possible. And I want to work on that today. You can have a partner or partners in your life that where you can feel relaxed, where you're in an expansive environment, and you all are supporting one another in your mutual evolution. And you can dream together and then attain your dreams together. This is all not only possible, but I believe it's human nature. I think that's what we want. We want to have close friendships and mutual support, and we want to have fun. And what I'm here, standing here before you to say is, you can. Despite all these other obstacles that I've mentioned, you can. And we're going to work a little on that today. How to attract an infinite woman. Well, what's an infinite woman? What is she like? Well, she's going to be a reflection of what you guys are practicing, right? She's going to be beautiful, really hot. Why? Because she's healthy and fit. And then beauty, I mean, that's true beauty, right? It doesn't have to come from genetics. She's smart, and she knows how to navigate the world. She has a spiritual identity because she's done some spiritual work, and she's figured out, has a feel for her life purpose. So she's often running on something, right? And in relationship, that then you have a potential for like a work partner. My partner James and I have collaborated for almost 20 years on a tantric art project. I'm just coming out now with a book describing the adventures of what it is to be with somebody that we're pooling our energies. Now, something that the dominator system knows is a principle called synergy. Synergy is 1 + 1 = 8. And that's probably pretty accurate. That means that I join my energy with another in a free-flowing way, in a way that we have trust, both of us are giving our permission, and that helps us relax. And then it sparks our creativity, and it's like, whoa, we could do this business. You know what? We could do this art. We could. And imagine if you had a support person for your dreams. Or what if, like in the case of my partner and I, we shared the same dream. So we put all of our energy of our family. We were raising a son through this time too. And he actually put his energy, because for him it was like, oh, we're traveling around the world. And he was thrilled. So we had like this family unit supporting a dream. And it's been awesome. And I'm standing here to tell you it's possible because I know, because we've done it. Now, did it mean that we had to clear a few obstacles in the way? Yes. And where were those obstacles? Mostly within ourselves. Back to the infinite woman. She's also sexually adept. And she knows how to give and receive pleasure. She's capable of trust, vulnerability, and she knows how to have fun. And some of you, and this partner could be a partner for a week. It could be, a friend with benefits. But I know many of you would like to find a long-term partner. So this infinite woman could be capable of committing for the long haul. Hey, let's make a house together. Let's have a family. Let's grow old together. All of this is possible, and there are infinite women out there. And why do I know that for sure? It's because most of my work is with, I do talks and I give workshops, and who mostly shows up? Women. That's why it's such a thrill to be in a room with all you guys. I'm used to mostly working with women because in the timing curve of this waking up process that's happening in our society, the women started jumping on the bandwagon first. So, like you guys wonder, where can I meet an infinite woman? Go to a yoga class. Go to the gym. Go to a qigong class. Go to a cooking class. Go to, I don't know, or go to, like I usually am in workshops that involve healing or consciousness, and it's usually 80% women. They're women who have the same goals as you. I want to be my best self. So, like the bar scene, let's see, it's 1 a.m., who's here? You know? Whereas at the end of a yoga class, hey, want to go out for a smoothie? You know? So the women are there, just like you guys are here. Nobody's attained the perfect, 100% rounded, ideal, but if you find someone that you're pointing in the same direction, then you get to share the road. And it's really about the journey, not about arriving.